can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him live.
The lighting in my room is actually really nice, but the sun is not cute in here. Anyways, let's see. Do I look nice with these or without these? Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Diana, in case you guys don't remember me or in case you guys don't know me, because I know that the last time you saw me I had hair and today I don't have hair. That's because it's summer and a girl's about to change her life. You know what they say about a lady who cuts her hair, right? That's me. Please ignore the makeup on my shirt. But yeah, today's a Sunday and I'm going out for drinks right now. I'm actually waiting for my ride, and then yeah, I'm just gonna show you the meal preps that I make throughout the week when I go to work, and that's pretty much it. Pretty much short vlog, but thank you so much for tuning back in and thank you so much for being supportive. I can see the channel has grown throughout Vlogtober. We got 20 more subscribers, so I really appreciate that. I can see the progress and I appreciate each and everyone for stopping by, each and every single one for liking and for subscribing. So welcome to all those who are new. Okay, also another thing, I'm not on social media, so I am not able to market the channel or post whenever there's a vlog or whenever there's a video. So kindly turn on your notifications so that you get notified every single time when I drop a video. Okay, thank you so much. I love you guys so much. I'm out of breath because it is hot. Now I regret putting on makeup, but yeah, so banana pambili guys in.
Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch. If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. Oh, I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah.
Morning. I look like, I don't know, where is the lighting perfect? I know the lighting is good here. I look too much, right? Guys, lighting perfect, guy. I know I look too colored. It's the lighting, and I look too brown. I'm probably gonna have to take a red lipstick so that I don't look too brown. I'm going to church, but I'm late, and that's because I couldn't get an Uber. But look at how gorgeous my roses are. I got these roses. Oh no, are they even roses? I got them from work. I just picked them. Let me take them up outside. Guys, my Uber he just got in by the gate. Oh, the lighting is actually nice in my bathroom. The Uber just got by the gate, so I have to stop by. I have to go now. I know I didn't greet you guys. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm off to church, like I said. Got delayed because where I stay, it's quite secluded. So getting an Uber from here, always a mission. How? But I need to take out this bean. But I need to remove that bean from outside. But the way I'm so late, this cut so keep my bean asiko. Let me just go dab some perfume, change my shoes and put on some heels.
If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering.
Please do not judge my feet. You know when you just got back from the mall. So I was already filming, I got interrupted. So I got these yogurts, Danone, strawberry flavor. I love strawberry flavor so much. I like it for my muesli when I go to work in the morning. And then I got macaroni for my pasta. I want to make like pasta without meat, or like pasta with tuna when I go to work. And then I just added butternut. I'm gonna make this today. And then I added breasts, right? This is gonna be my meal for the week. Butternut breasts and this week's portion of vegetables. So these are this is for my lunch only. And then I got tuna. There was a special at Pick and Pay. So this is only for my lunch. It's not for dinner. Groceries for dinner have been bought already. But these I need them for my lunch for the week. It's 2 weeks from now or 3 weeks, depending on how obviously I eat. Obviously, you can't go to the shop and not get a Kit Kat. We thank God that we are able to though. So how gorgeous are these flowers? I got these flowers from work. I picked them up myself. I was passing by and then I saw them and I was like, I want those. Guys, please don't judge my boobs. I'm not wearing a bra. I know there's a bra, but I'm not wearing a bra because this bra is not. It's literally just to hide the nipples. There's no support. Okay. And then I got bras. I believe in bras from Ackermans more than anything. And then I got the highlighting kit. It's a refill kit because I bleached my hair yesterday, but I didn't bleach it proper. And I messed up the remaining bleach, so I just got a refill so that I can finish up today. Wishing me luck. I'm not sure if that's safe. Last time I checked, it's actually not safe. So if I do feel that I'm burning, I will just stop the process. And then I got a lip therapy which I can't find. And then I got this sunscreen influenced by my friend Ottilia. I used the Eucerin sunscreen. I think I was bragging about it in my last vlog, but because of the cost, it's now $350, $360. I think it's ridiculous. So I decided to get this one. Apparently it works properly, so I'm gonna test it and see how it treats my skin during the course of this week. And then I did a light beat when I went to church, and then the eyelashes are installed. I got the eyelashes a month ago. One thing about my lashes though, last child, I got them done a month ago. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare my dish now. I'm literally just making chicken breasts. I'm pairing it with butternut and veggies. That's it. And then for dinner, I'm going to make sweet corn, beef stew, and I think rice. Sweet corn, beef stew, and rice. I think that makes sense. And then in my beef stew, I'll just add chunks of carrot as well as potatoes. Because I was thinking of making a potato salad, but a potato salad, sometimes is not giving. And then I'm gonna have this. One thing about me, I'll come back from the mall and regret not buying something to eat. Every time I go to the mall, believe you me, I will not buy something to eat because the food courts there are like so packed. I'm gonna have this with acha. I have acha in my fridge. My house smells like acha actually. So I'm gonna have acha, maybe with some cologne, just a little bit honey and then I'm gonna eat that quickly and then we'll get to cooking, okay?
The situation in front of us, and I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need to make a way for me to see. But that's for me. You're the one. Till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time will come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel you in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers. But as for me,
Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Truly love each and every single one of you.